Every cell in our body requires the constant supply of oxygen, without which they would die. And in today's lecture, we will study about the exact pathway through which the air flows into our body. So, hello everyone, welcome to Nursing with Priya. And in today's lecture, we are starting with the second chapter of anatomy, which is respiratory system. So, let's get started. Let's first understand कि respiration क्या होता है. It is the biochemical process through which these cells break down the food into energy and they produce the ATP, water, and carbon dioxide in the body. Now, there is a difference between physical and chemical respiration. Physical respiration is breathing, in which we inhale the oxygen and exhale the carbon dioxide, whereas the chemical respiration is where the conversion of food is being done into the energy. Fine. Now, why is respiration important in our body? Because it supplies the oxygen, it helps the cells to produce energy, it maintains health, and removes the carbon dioxide from the body. Now, carbon dioxide is a gas which is very important to be eliminated from the body, otherwise the blood would become acidic in nature and these cells would die, and eventually the organs would stop working. Now, what is respiratory system? Respiratory system is a network of organs and tissues which allows us to breathe. Its primary function is to deliver oxygen to the bloodstream and expel the carbon dioxide waste. It is divided into two main types, the upper respiratory tract and the lower respiratory tract. The upper respiratory tract includes nose, pharynx, and larynx, whereas the lower respiratory tract involves trachea, bronchi, bronchiole, and the lungs. Now here the lungs are the most important organ because they contain the alveoli, which is the site of gas exchange. The main function is to deliver oxygen and removal of carbon dioxide. We have the respiratory pump, which includes chest wall and the respiratory muscles which help to ventilate the lungs. The air is entered into the body via the nose and then it passes through the pharynx and larynx. Then it enters the trachea, which is also known as windpipe. Then from windpipe it enters the right and left bronchi, and from the bronchi it spreads throughout the lungs. And in lungs we have the alveoli, which is the site of gas exchange. Here what happens is that from the blood carbon dioxide is moved into the alveoli and the oxygen which is present in the alveoli is diffused into the bloodstream. What is nose? Nose जो है is an external structure of our body which is protruding from the central of the face and it is of triangle shape. Fine. And इसका main function क्या है? It helps us in smell and breathing. Fine. And it is made up of cartilage as well as the bone. The cartilage present here is hyaline cartilage and it is covering the 2/3 part of the nose. The other 1/3 part is made up of bone, which is the nasal bone. Nasal bone का काम क्या है? To provide a fixed structure to the nose, whereas cartilage का काम है to provide flexibility and it helps the nose to bend. Fine. देन ये जो हमारी टिप है नोज की, इट इज़ नॉन एज द एपेक्स ऑफ द नोज. एक्सटर्नली स्किन से कवर्ड है हमारी नोज विच हेल्प्स इन प्रोटेक्शन एंड हैज़ द sweat glands present in them. Then internally we have the mucous membrane which prevents the nasal cavity from drying. Fine. Next we have is nostrils. Nostrils are also known as the anterior nares. Anterior का मतलब है front and nares का मतलब है opening. So nostrils क्या है? Nostrils are the front opening of the nose which allows the entry and the exit of the air, and they open into right and left nasal cavity. They also have the vibrissae present in them, which are the nasal hairs. What they do is they filter the coarse particles, which means they trap the large particles and does not allow them to enter the nasal cavity or the lungs. Fine. So this is the function of nostrils. Then we will study about the nasal cavity. Nasal cavity क्या है? It is the hollow structure present inside the nose, which means that there is an empty space which is present inside the nose, which is known as the nasal cavity. It is divided into two halves by the nasal septum, right and equal left halves. Nasal septum जो है is a structure which is dividing the nasal cavity into two equal halves, right and left half. Fine. It extends from the anterior nair to the posterior nair. The anterior nair that we studied just now, which is also known as nostrils. So it extends from nostrils to the posterior nair, which is also known as cornea. Conei जो है is the posterior opening which opens into the nasopharynx. Now, what is the function of nasal cavity? Nasal cavity का function है that it has the structures which warm the air, provide moisture to the air which is inhaled, and filter the air particles. Fine. Now we will study about the boundaries of the nasal cavity. We have four boundaries of the nasal cavity: the roof, floor, medial wall, and the lateral wall. The first one we have is the roof. Roof of nasal cavity जो है is 1 centimeter of breadth and 6 centimeter in length. यहाँ से लेके ये जो स्ट्रक्चर पूरा दिखाई दे रहा है, this is the roof of nasal cavity. रूफ का काम क्या है? इट सेपरेट्स द क्रेनियल कैविटी फ्रॉम द नेजल कैविटी. क्रेनियल कैविटी क्या है? कैविटी ऑफ द ब्रेन. फाइन. सो इसका काम है टू सेपरेट द नेजल कैविटी एंड क्रेनियल कैविटी. इट ऑल्सो प्रिवेंट्स द इन्फेक्शन फ्रॉम ट्रेवलिंग फ्रॉम द नोज टू brain. Fine. So it is the structure of nasal cavity is divided into three main parts: the anterior, posterior, and the middle part. Fine. एंटीरियर पार्ट जो है उसको फ्रंटोनेजल पार्ट भी बोलते हैं बिकॉज इट हैज द फ्रंटल बोन एंड नेजल बोन प्रेजेंट इन देम. देन वी हैव एथमोइड पार्ट एंड द स्फेनोइड पार्ट. यहाँ पे यू कैन सी द section from here to here is known as the anterior part or frontonasal part because it is made up of frontal bone and nasal bone. Then we have the horizontal middle part which is made up of the cibriform palate of ethmoid bone. यहाँ पे olfactory cells भी present है which helps us in smell. Fine. Then we have the downward slope which is made up of sphenoid bone. Fine. So this is about the roof of nasal cavity. Next we have is floor. Floor जो है is a structure which is separating the nasal cavity from the mouth cavity and it helps us to eat and breathe at the same time. ठीक है. इसका 2/3 पार्ट जो है इट इज मेड अप ऑफ पैलेटिन प्रोसेस ऑफ मैक्सिला whereas the other 1/3 पार्ट इज मेड अप ऑफ द पैलेटिन बोन. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज मीडियल वॉल. मीडियल वॉल को नेजल सेप्टम भी बोलते हैं. इसका फंक्शन क्या है? दैट इट सेपरेट्स द नोज इनटू टू इक्वल हाफ्स. ठीक है. इट एक्ट एज अ वॉल बिटवीन द नेजल कैविटीज. Again, it is made up of the bony part and it also has the cartilage present in them. Here you can see ये जो anterior part है it is made up of the septal cartilage. Then superior part जो है it is made up of perpendicular palate of ethmoid bone. Then the posterior part is made up of the vomer. Fine. So this is the structure of nasal septum. Nasal septum का काम है to divide the nasal cavity into two equal halves, right and left. Fine. Next we have is the lateral wall. Lateral wall का मतलब है the side walls of the nasal cavity. ठीक है. ये nose है हमारा. This is the medial wall. तो ये जो side walls हैं of the nasal cavity, these are the lateral walls. Fine. Lateral wall के अंदर we have three features: the vestibule, concha, and metasis. The vestibule is the lowest part of the lateral wall. ये जो green section तुम्हें दिखाई दे रहा है this is the vestibule जहाँ पे we have the nasal hairs present. ठीक है. इसका function क्या है? जो भी dust particles है, जो भी harmful germs है, they are trapped in this hairs. Fine. That's all the function of vestibule. Also it allows the air to enter and exit. Fine. यहाँ पे जो है glands भी present हैं. The sebaceous glands are present in the vestibules. Fine. Next we have concha जिसको turbinates भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है. इनका function है to help the warm and filter the air. ठीक है. इसके अंदर we have three structures present: the superior concha, middle concha, and the inferior concha. जो superior concha है this is the smallest concha of the three, whereas inferior concha है this is the largest one. इनका मेन फंक्शन क्या है? दैट इट हेल्प्स दी जो एयर हम लोग इनहेल करते हैं उसको इट हेल्प्स टू स्पिन एंड swirl, ensuring that जो एयर है it is hitting the mucous membrane which helps in warm and filtering the air. ठीक है. Here you can see that the incoming airflow is being spinned and the swirls to improve the moisturization. It aids in warming and enhance the ciliary action and trapping the foreign particles. Fine. Next we have is metasis. Metasis जो है again are divided into three parts. They are the spaces which are present just below the concave. ठीक है. Here also we have superior meatus, middle metasis and inferior metasis. इनका काम क्या है? That they act as a central exit point for the mucus which is traveling out of the surrounding facial sinuses. Fine. जो सुपीरियर मेटिसेस है यहाँ पे दिस इज द ओपनिंग विच इज पोस्टीरियर एथमोइडल एयर सेल ओपनिंग. इन इसका जो भी सिक्रीशन है वुड बी drained here. Then we have middle metasis. Middle metasis के अंदर the opening of frontal sinus, middle ethmoidal sinus and maxillary sinus जो है are drained here. Then we have the inferior metasis which is the largest one. यहाँ पे nasolacrimal duct present है. So जब भी हम लोग रोते हैं so उस टाइम पे why does our nose becomes very runny? Because जो lacrimal duct है वहाँ से secretions जो है are being drained here. That is why whenever we cry our nose becomes runny. Fine. So this is the role of metasis. Now we will study about the lining of nasal cavity. We have three main regions of the nasal cavity, which is first one the vestibule, the second one is the respiratory region which is the largest region, and the third one is olfactory region. Fine. So जो vestibule है it is lined by the stratified squamous epithelium. ठीक है. Stratified का मतलब है that there are multiple layers. Squamous का मतलब है that the cells are very thin and flat in nature and they contain the sebaceous gland that we have already discussed earlier. Fine. The respiratory region is lined by the pseudo-stratified columnar epithelium जिसका मतलब है that there is just one single layer present but it appears that it is of multiple layers and the cells are tall in nature. They contain the goblet cells which secrete the mucus. Again mucus का काम क्या है? To trap the foreign particles. Fine. Then we have the olfactory region which is in the ethmoid region. Fine. It is located at superior concha. It is lined by the olfactory neuroepithelium. It contains the olfactory cells, basal cells and Bowman's gland. यहाँ पे तुम देख सकते हो that it has this cells, olfactory cells which has the smell receptors. So जो भी बाहर से smell molecules आते हैं they are being received here and the Bowman's gland जो है it produces a fluid which helps us detect this smell. Fine. So जब भी हमें सर्दी होती है फिर जब भी हम लोग बीमार पड़ते हैं उस टाइम पे हम स्मेल क्यों नहीं कर पाते ज़्यादातर चीज़ें बिकॉज ये नेजल कैविटी जो है इट इज़ बीइंग ब्लॉक्ड जिसकी वजह से जो स्मेल मॉलिक्यूल्स है दे आर नॉट बीइंग एबल टू रीच टू दिस olfactory region. Fine. Function of nasal cavity क्या है? It helps the air to be warm, humidified and filtration of the air. Fine, this we have already studied. So let's just quickly revise what we have studied in this lecture. We studied about that what is respiration, the respiratory system क्या है, and the pathway of the airflow. Okay, then we have studied about the structure of nose, which is divided into two right and left halves by the nasal septum. Then we have concave present in them, which is divided into three parts: the superior, middle, and inferior concave. This helps to warm and filter the air. Fine. Then we have the metasis. Metasis are the structures which are present just under the concave. These are again the superior, middle, and inferior. The important openings are the frontal sinus, maxillary sinus, and nasolacrimal duct. The main function is to warm the air, humidify the air, filter the air, and smell the sensation. So this is the main function of nose and nasal cavity. Fine. So that's all for today's lecture. Thank you.